Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is entry number 55, and this is coming from Rebecca Campbell. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at all her beautiful stamps that she has on here. Oh my goodness, girly. And so let's get into her entry. Let's see if I can get into it. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the side or the top. Let's do the side so I don't cut anything on the top. There we go. And there it is. Here it comes. Ba-ba-ba-da. Oh wow, look at this. Oops, this beautiful package here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, let me stop fussing with that. It has her info on the back. Oh my gosh, handmade with love, and it has her name on it. I don't want to show it because it has her address. She has a little bit of elastic here. She made a little flat book, flat mail book, embellishment book, flip book. I don't know, there's many names to go with this little creation, but it says she saw beauty in everything, and it's got this gorgeous typewriter. Oh my gosh, really girly. Wow, look, she shared some fun foam balls with me. Yes, yes, I love these. Put it in some Happy Mail. And then she has, oh, look at that. Okay, so guys, look, so here's a little piece of ephemera, and she added some embroidery floss here behind it. It says crafty girl. And then here, oh, this is her memory decks. This is all I was asking for. Let me just make sure there's nothing there. Okay, because I don't want to miss whatever anybody gives me. So anyway, she's got this beautiful tassel. She's got embroidery floss, and she used a felt bow right here. And then she's got this gold sticker. Oh, that is so cute with those beautiful beads. So pretty. And then she has her little girl here with the photo camera. I don't remember what this collection is, so if you want to go ahead and tell me, go ahead, leave a comment down below. And then she has a fun little foam flower. It's nothing bad with that, you know, it's just fluffy fluff, and then we're good again. Look at that, just like that, perfect. She also used some Nuvo drops. That's so cute. She's got Nuvo crystals, I think these are crystals, crystal drops. So pretty. And then it says, I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter. I almost sweat glitter. I wish I sweat glitter. And then it says, this is her info. It says, at for the love of paper crafts. Yes. Her favorite color is pink. And she loves all things girly. Yes, girl, me too. And Minnie Mouse. I love beads and charms. There's not much I love, but I don't love. There you go. And then her birthday is December 30th. Oh my goodness, girly. Whew. Another December baby. You know, I know how hard it is. I had my daughter in December, and you know, that's the hardest part, to celebrate her and then not include it all in one fell swoop with Christmas. But look at that. So sturdy too. So if you wanted to put this through the mail like she did, it won't get ruined because everything is sturdy. I love this idea. Perfect, perfect idea, girly. Thank you so very much for joining. Guys, I'm going to link her info down below, like I say, and go and check her out and subscribe. Join her family, and let's help each other grow. So thank you all for watching. Let me see if I'm getting it in frame. And I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you so much, love. I appreciate you so much. Rebecca. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.